Namaskar. Yogasan Asan is just a single step in the 8 steps of Yoga Shastra. So what we are talking about benefits of Asan is just like a small drop in the vast ocean of pleasure gained through Yoga Abhyas. If we study the biology and physiology of human body, we will be surprised how beautifully, efficiently and in a well coordinated manner the system is functioning. This system is really a miracle. Due to any external attack, our internal soldiers are ready to fight the situation and get the body to the balanced level, be it a scratch on a knee or ingestion of a food. Even if your heart is having a block, the body has a capacity to form collateral and a natural bypass. What we have to do is just to maintain the system in a balanced state, which is achieved through yoga abhyas. And the very simple method of it is maintaining the proper blood circulation to each and every part of the body. What our Swamiji, Yogamurti Sri Janardhan Swami, has said is just doing 3 basic movements: twisting, bending forward and backward, and stretching. When we sleep at night, some parts of the body are pressed and the blood flow is hampered. So when we get up, even a small baby, when it gets up, there is a tendency to stretch a little bit and we feel the freshness. That's what we do in Tadasana and other asanas, and that's what the physiotherapists do in the treatment of traction. Now, what is the difference between asana and exercise? For example, during Ardha Kati Chakrasana, we can raise the arm like this, but it will cause a jerk, or we can raise the arm slowly like this. When doing slowly and with awareness, there is a better control and an improved neuromuscular coordination, which is achieved through the practice of asana.